Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is March the 21st. As per usual, this is a little series that will sort of show you behind the scenes and types of things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching and keeping up with this series. It really does mean a lot to us. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. We opened up a lot of boxes. There's probably going to be a lot of links down there. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.